So Adam started to name, to give names, to give identity. He brought the animals to Adam. He brought all the different creatures to Adam. He brought the electrical magnetic field, the radiations that we use in the earth that electrifies the earth. He brought the woman to Adam after forming him out of the rib of Adam. And Adam said, this is the womb of my womb, the flesh of my flesh, the bones of my bones. I shall call her woman, the one who carries my seed and formulates it. And from that time when he said that, everything that was a beast, everything that had a nature or which was negative in it, it became a living being. It started to live in a positive manner and identity because Adam spoke them into existence. He gave identity. So what you're learning here, when you get to understand the wisdom of God in you, you get now to give identity to everything you speak to and everything you declare to. Everything you write down becomes something that you can now form or formulate via knowledge. Because of lack of wisdom and understanding, my people have no knowledge and they die because they have no knowledge. Let me finish with this and then we are going to discuss. What is knowledge? When you add wisdom and understanding together is equals knowledge. What is knowledge? Knowledge is the gathering of elements, chemicals, ideas, people, strength, physical things, living organisms, and bring them together in a united, combined, united entity so that they may produce something you want out of them. That something can be a product or it can be a service that solves a problem. When you cook food, you put different elements together. Knowledge. Through the wisdom and the understanding, you start to gather things. And when you gather those things, you put something together and you make food. So a person who makes food is a scientist, because science, you bring things together to make something out of it to benefit someone or a group of people. When you are building, you bring materials together. You bring iron, you bring water, you bring stones, you bring sand, you bring cement. Put them together and you start to build an idea that was just an idea in somebody's mind, which is written as an designed architect of someone, which is designed in a form of a map, and then you bring it into its physical reality by using the knowledge of putting together the materials that will make the reality of a physical house. What am I saying? You are a scientist. God wants to give you wisdom and understanding to understand how you gather things, bring them together so that you may produce something that will benefit a society, a community, or people. I'm going to finish with this and then we'll go into a discussion. The word knowledge means to make things join together, to come into oneness, to have sex so that they may produce. And the ability of knowledge of gathering these things and bring out something that is positive. There are certain things that you can't bring together through knowledge. You can't mix them because they don't mix. When you mix hate and then you mix love, you can't, what equals what? Hate love. You can't mix corruption with something good. The bad foxes spoil the other things and the fruits that are in the basket. So in the area of bringing things together, you must have the wisdom and the understanding of what you're bringing together that will allow the positive energy of you and understanding to become a reality that is good, because you can't mix bad things and then you expect to get a good result.
Change Mindset Magazine. Learn something new today.